Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm here making a video on a 2014 Volkswagen GTI. I'm just replacing my passenger axle. I've been having some serious issues down the line with my wheels almost feeling like they're falling off to my subframe, so it felt like it was shaking loose completely. But I missed a couple of things on the video side. I'm going to kind of try and fill it in as we go, but here we go. Um, Make sure that you don't do it the way that I did it. I mean, I kind of just flew through this. I've done this a million times. It wasn't a big deal for me. I used the gun to legit wipe them right on there, but please do a torque spec when you do decide to put these in. When putting this back together, make sure to hold the axle in place. You might have to adjust the axle back and forth to line up with the ball joint. I had a little bit of a hard time by myself trying to manhandle it. Use a torque wrench. The torque spec for your lug nuts is 89 foot-pounds of torque. I usually go straight to 100. But for one of my first car videos, I know it's probably not the best. I appreciate you guys taking a look at it. Please like and subscribe.